Everybody knows one, a road that you drive that feels like it has been under construction forever.
And after years of headaches, neighbors in one community say they don't know who to believe anymore. So they called consumer investigator Alana Otler, who joins us now with the story.
Guys, if you've ever driven Rufe Snow Drive in the past 3 years, then you immediately know these people's pain. As if this wasn't enough, the true aggravation stems from the fact that the project deadline has been changed more than 6 times. Rufe Snow Drive is a major thoroughfare for the city of North Richland Hills. In 2016, City Council voted to hire a contractor for $12.1 million. Now the project is more than a year behind schedule. The new deadline has been set for summer 2019, but it's one of those situations where the goalposts have been moved so many times, drivers don't know what to believe. In the meantime, several businesses along Rufe Snow Drive are reporting a dip in sales, and that's not to mention all the congestion and traffic that is really snarling these roads and really confusing drivers. Guys, we found in some cases that this construction is also posing a safety risk. We found one teenager who tripped on a piece of rebar because there was no place to walk but on the side of the road.
And Alana, we're curious, what did you learn about the contractor here?
So we found that while working on this project, the contractor has been sued at least 24 times in different cities for different projects. Now, in many cases, the contractor was way past deadline. They didn't meet deadline, and the contractor ended up paying damages in the end. Tonight at 6, we're diving into why the city is sticking with the contractor despite these lawsuits. And then at 10, see what happens when we confront the contractor of this job right here. Live in North Richland Hills, I'm Alana Otler, CBS 11.
Alana, we look forward to it. Thank you. And if you have a situation that you'd like the Ones for Justice team to look into, give them a call at 817-586-7211, or you can send them an email, justice@cbs.com.